forward to meeting one of our food heroes at this iconic location.
So I read in this market, you have to make it, bake it, sow it or grow it. And if you haven't done that, you're not allowed to come into this market.
Make it, bake it.
This is the landmark we're supposed to meet him at.
Hi, I'm Peter Kuravita. Welcome to Yumundi Markets. Today I'm going to meet two incredible characters, Rocky and Mayur.
Good morning.
Rocky.
How are you, Peter?
Good to see you again.
How's it going?
Good, thanks, Mayur. Let me show you one of our great markets. You want to have a look?
Oh,
Yeah,
great.
for sure.
The Yumundi markets on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia have a diverse and amazing range of art, craft products, entertainment and local produce.
There's so many things to see in this market. I want to start here.
Good morning, gents.
Good morning.
How are you?
Rocky.
Pretty good, yourself? Frankie?
I'm Mayur. Frankie, very nice to
And
meet you.
Peter, good to see you again.
Peter?
Yeah, Frankie.
Come have a chat, guys.
So what are we having?
Those ones are the French praline.
Thanks, man.
This one is actually a bit special. That's a salted caramel. So I use the peanuts from Kingaroy, local peanuts, and some pink Himalayan salt.
You know what I love about the French? They can make something as humble as a peanut sound so nice. Tell me again, what are
thank
these?
you.
What are they? French what?
Praline.
Praline.
And you had a couple of other crazily
Yeah,
named
so of
ones,
course,
right?
those ones, they're just caramelized peanuts. They're actually the French traditional chouchou,
Shushu.
which you find on the beach. And then we also do the almonds, which I put a little bit of tea tree honey, local only again. And then you've got the lightly caramelized cashew, and of course, the macadamia, which is the Queensland nuts,
That's
or
fantastic.
bubble nuts.
And you're doing them right here.
Yeah. So I've got my French copper pot here, and mix it on site so people can see what I'm doing and they can smell it as well. I know, right?
Macadamia is native to this area and now is spread throughout the world, but it's one of the most amazing nuts. It's got so much fat content, you can
Yeah.
make butter with it, you can just eat it as normal. But again, from this region, we are blessed in this region, guys. There's so much beautiful produce. And then you throw a Frenchman into it and you've got praline.
Praline.
Thank you, my
Everything
friend.
sounds good.
Thank you. You
See you later.
Good meeting you.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Peter introduced us to the forks and flavors of this colorful market, and it was an absolute delight.
What I'd like to do is maybe take you back to the restaurant later on today.
Okay.
And do you know how to make beetroot curry? And maybe we can show you how to make Sri Lankan beetroot curry.
Oh, nice.
No, we'd love to learn.
Maybe we can throw a few dishes down there. I'll show you a couple of the special foods we have at the restaurant.
Lovely.
It must be a damn we're good. We got him to do that without even prompting him. We were sending out the subliminal message.
Well, I'm kind of looking at the way...
Cook for us, chef.
I'm looking at the way you're enjoying your food, and I thought, well, I've got to share some of this with you.
No, thank you. God
the
bless.
first-
Yes.
Since 1979, Yumundi has been a haven for local farmers markets and now also attracts artisans and small food entrepreneurs.
These are the local sweet bites. They're a heritage variety of tomato.
Thank you.
The difference with these is that they've got a full-bodied taste. So they taste like tomatoes my grandma grew when I was little, but these are sun-ripened on the vine.
Wow,
So that's why you get that big burst of flavour.
beautiful.
That's
And these
terrific.
are grown about a kilometre down the road. They were picked
Thank you.
yesterday.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
You know,
How nice is it to meet people who are like passionate about like just bringing out good food?
Yeah, that's the highlight. I love it. Everybody's so proud of what they're doing. And
Yeah.
they really want you to try what they've got to offer you.
There was so much to explore in the market, and the fresh produce was a foodie's pleasure.
Ah, look at that produce. The colors is what gets me first of all, right?
Yeah.
Every time.
we need,
Oh, there we
we'll
go.
get some beetroots. I think these guys here grow all of their soft greens.
That looks like nice mint.
Beautiful mint.
What's this?
Rhubarb.
Oh.
Yeah, have you had rhubarb crumble, rhubarb pie?
In America, they have it all the time.
Yeah.
It's good, huh?
Cherry's good. Your whole lips just went red then. That's beautiful.
That's red. That's a very, very red cherry.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fantastic. Just these two things.
We were overwhelmed with the enthusiasm of these Aussie farmers who took absolute pride in their produce.
What's going to happen with the beetroots? Well, it's going to be exactly what I just said. A combination of modern techniques with a twist of Sri Lankan. But other than that, you know nothing until we do it. Wait and see.
Later in the day, we landed at Peter's restaurant in Hastings Street in Noosa Heads.
Wow.
Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. The front is all open.
Surfing also.
Hey, Peter.
Good to see you again. This is a beautiful place,
Thanks.
chef.
This is our bar.
Awesome.
And then the restaurant's at the back, so I'll show you around.
Nice. Thank you.
Such a lovely area. Open in front, you can get a view of the street.
Yeah.
Spectacular.
It's good fun, mate. So this is the dining room up here.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
And got a nice little cozy corner. You can watch what's going on. Come through.
This one's for us.
Yeah, please sit down. Look, I'm going to head off and do a bit of cooking. I'm going to cook you some food. So,
Well, we want to come and watch you do this.
you sure?
I promise.
You up for it?
I promised people on Twitter that I'll be copying all your
I don't know
recipes.
whether I should let you in, but come on, let's go.
Oh,
Let's go.
thanks,
Come on.
thanks, chef.
So, welcome to our kitchen. I think we should show you the beetroot curry. It's classic, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And of course, we got the beetroots. I've saved you a lot of time too.
Yeah.
I've cut the beetroots, a little bit of ghee, crackle a few curry leaves, some pandan leaves, and I think I like to cook slowly. I don't like to whack everything too hard. It'll start to bubble and dance. Instead of cinnamon. So
Okay.
this is the real stuff. Lighter in colour, lots of stuffing inside, sweet in flavour. Taste a bit. I love it.
Oh.
And of course, the best cinnamon is from where? From Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka.
All right, boys, put them up, both of you.
Onion, some let's get some aromas
Chili
going, a
in,
little bit
yeah.
of green chili. And just cook till translucent. So once I get this nicely roasted, then we're going to add the beetroots.
That's a beautiful color.
Yeah, I love it. Once I get all the spices roasted and coating the beetroot, then I'm going to add some vinegar.
Now, is that just regular vinegar?
Yes.
Some of that
Slight
lovely
vinegar.
Oh,
And
your
some sugar.
date palm vinegar from Sri Lanka is famous for the date palm.
Yeah.
Yes. And the Palmyra palm as well.
We love that. We bought bottles of it back from Sri Lanka when we came back. The toddy vinegar is so
Oh, the
good.
toddy vinegar is great. A lot of those things that are fermenting, you can't get here.
Yeah.
Now into this, a little bit of second extract of coconut. Now this needs to be covered and simmered for about 20 minutes. All right, so the unveil.
Ooh,
See,
look at that.
a lot of people say to me, why didn't you put water in it before? But then when you remove the lid again, you understand why. There's so much water that is released from the beetroot itself. It mixes with the coconut cream, and then just before we serve it, we'll add a little bit more coconut cream. Season it. I didn't season it before, so I'll just season it now. This is Aaron, everybody in India. He's a great guy. He, working with the young chefs, you always find that there's new ways of presenting things, and you can evolve by working side by side with the young chefs rather than telling them what to do all the time, because otherwise you end up staying in one place and not moving. So I'll leave it to Aaron. I'm going to go find you the cookbook that they all cook from. You want to see the book that everyone cooks from? You think it's used well enough or what?
Look at that. Read and cook with it, but always bring it back. Oh my God, that is beautiful.
That's our house in there. And
That's the family. Wow. Look.
well used. I love a book with curry stains on it.
Oh yeah, completely.
Thanks, Aaron.
Thank
That,
you.
that's the qualification. This is going to be your favorite book. Look at that.
You can take this recipe book home, and if you buy the book, I guess you can take the rest to India as well.
Nice. And now the true test.
Ah, yes,
true
yes.
test.
The true test for dinner. Shall we sit down?
Let's sit down.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. I'm honored that you thought of us while you did it.
Oh yeah, you guys inspired me actually. Got home and thought, yeah, cool, time to cook. That's what I do, I guess.
I'll tell you what we did though after we left. We didn't eat anything looking forward to this dinner. So you guys are in trouble tonight, I'm just saying.
Yeah. Well, I think the beetroot curry we made.
Oh, nice.
We've all got to try that. I'm going to send that out, and then I'm going to send out a few signatures. Things that the snapper curry that's coming out. It's a long tail snapper, I know, but I can tell you about it too.
Yeah, that's the famous one. I heard a couple of ladies at the market say, you must try the snapper curry when you go there. Thank you. Yes, that's the one.
And then, do you find you spend a lot of time back there cooking, or
It's
a lot of time taking photographs? I saw a lot of people walking up to you. They're like, "Chef, love your food. Want a photograph?" So.
Yeah, look, I think the secret to have a successful business, I've got 2 other restaurants in Fiji,
Okay.
is to have amazing stuff.
Yeah.
People who, most of the people that work here are empowered to do what they want to do within a very broad spectrum. Thanks. And so we work together, and the more I travel, the more ideas I come back and I just unload. Take this, take this, take this, and then they take it and refine it. Or we work together. So I don't have to be anywhere at any time, but I do travel around a lot, and I do, when I'm home, this is home base, this is where I am.
Well, I must say, it's a beautiful old building. It's a lovely setting. I love these white, crisp sheets over here. It's a fantastic evening. Chef's got some really brilliant food coming out for us. I'll drink to that.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Good to meet you guys.
Cheers. Thank you.
Thanks. I think you should give it to all of these guys. I'll have it.
Yeah?
We'll just put it in the middle. How about that?
Yeah.
You guys happy to share?
Let's do this Sri Lanka style.
Yes.
I'm going to bring you chocolates.
Okay.
Ooh, that is beautiful.
So this is our snapper curry. Wow.
That is one.
Wow.
You know, it's this relationship we have with
And
food.
the tuna and pork belly.
Thank you very much.
That
My
looks
friend is going to have
I'll
the pork
have that.
belly.
You're going to have the. He's vegetarian, so we'll have the beetroot curry. Thank you. Yeah.
Going to bring you.
There we go.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
So that's what you guys made out there.
Whoa.
All right, it looks a lot prettier now than it did back then.
Yes.
She's all dressed up for dinner.
Yes, she certainly is.
The whole beetroot was like this. This is...
No, this is a baby heirloom beetroot that is grown, and you can get yellow beetroots, white beetroots, red beetroots, and then target beetroot.
I just went back to Sri Lanka and one whiff.
Yeah.
Like,
You eat cheese, don't you?
yes. Oh, Raja's mom used to cook like
Yes, and
this.
just put the tuna right here, and then we can have a good run, a good look at everything.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
All right. So I'll explain it all.
Okay.
There's always a hint of something. The reason I put this dish up, because I've taken a bit of kara bundi here, some bundi here,
Yeah.
and then used some water spinach. Then I've thrown a bit of Fiji in because I have 2 restaurants in Fiji, and this is called Lolo Sauce. Lolo is a coconut sauce.
Nice.
Made with coconut, a little bit of chili, some lime, some pickled daikon, and a piece of yellowfin tuna caught right outside here. This is the Lulabar tuna is absolutely beautiful. Beetroot curry, you guys know all about that.
Yes.
Then the snapper curry. This has been on the menu for I don't know how long, but the idea is that what we tell our guests is pour the sauce,
Oh, beautiful.
try and get a little bit of everything onto your plate, some raita, some rice, chop it up and enjoy it. One last dish.
Yes.
So this dish started its life as a tuna and a mud crab, a pork belly and mud crab salad. And one day, one of the apprentices was walking past some chili salt and dropped a piece of tuna in. He was going to throw it away. I said, no, hang on, let's have a look. So we put the two together. It tasted pretty good, but there was something missing. So we got some ruby grapefruit, red grapefruit, and blended it and put it in. So this is now, and then on top we thought, right, we've got the pork, we've got the crackling, we've got the tuna, we've got the, but what needs to bring it together? And we came up with a dish, a sauce called the black pepper caramel. So palm sugar, fish sauce, reduced right down, and then finished off. So this is like a little selection of some of the dishes on the menu.
That's a lot of Asian flavors right there. I mean, that's
A lot of Asian flavors, but there's the black pepper, you know, the black pepper caramel. It's all over the place, and that's Australia.
the food.
Oh, okay.
We're not even going to try going there, but we need you to tell us all about it. Oh my God, look at this! This is such a glorious chaos over here right now. So,
All right.
shall we just do this
Yes, go for it.
the way we know best?
Here you go, my friend.
It's very interesting, Peter, that you have this sort of style that keeps evolving all the time. What does it take to keep continuously redefining yourself?
I'm glad you said that, because that is credit to the people you work with. So the secret is I travel a lot. I come back with ideas. I'm always inspired by the people I work with, and together we keep moving forward. Most of the presentation now is devised by the 20s, the guys in their 20s who are reading, who are into it, and they go, what do you think of this, chef? What do you think of this? You have to keep evolving, and you have to trust the people you work with, and empower the youth, because they're the ones.
Yeah.
No matter what you do, you get to a stage where the blinkers slowly come on. You think, yes, I'm doing the right thing. But if you can just take them off and listen a bit, you can continue to grow with them.
Well, this is great. Peter, this is fabulous flavors. I went the way you told me to do with the fish. I just mashed everything together. The best flavor.
Even after I've finished look at that, my plate looks super interesting still. Saffron, red. I'm gonna try some of that.
Chocolate sauce.
Thank you. This is a chocolate sphere. Lots of people are doing spheres now.
Right.
We just make our own little arrows here, and a bit of raspberry, and then some chocolate coming, chocolate soil.
So the days of exploding the sphere are over now, huh?
Enjoy.
Thank you. I suggest one of you do this because I'm really messy and I have a very heavy hand.
No, please. Just go.
I'll end up probably making the. Oh, see, I would never have done that.
That's exactly what I was going to do.
Go for it.
Thank you. Better you than me. That has been magnificent, Chef.
Thank you.
I'm trapped between calling you Peter because I like you so much and Chef because you do such a wonderful job.
Peter's good. Peter's good. I like
Chef
that.
Peter,
Yeah, there you go.
with an Indian accent. Chef Peter, you're amazing, Chef Peter.
Thank you, Chef Peter. That was fabulous.
And thank you so much for the stories and sharing of, where all this comes from. For us, that's special. We've always tried to look for stories. So thank you.